Okay, so everyone ma'am sir, we're going to our lunch. Everyone ma'am sir, stick over life jacket. Iwan po natin yung mga life jacket natin ma'am sir. And of course, so just leave your things here ma'am sir, just bring your important things. Cellphone, wallet, just bring yung dali natin. Yung mga water nyo ma'am, iwan nyo na lang yung mga free drink sir in our lunch. And of course, we stay here 1 hour ma'am sir in our lunch area. Like I said before guys,